Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and as you can see I enabled cheats for the Sons of the Forest. Now it's a very easy step-by-step guide, so I'm going to get straight across into it. Now don't worry, you won't get fact banned for using cheats in the Sons of the Forest, because they are allowed by the devs and they actually are put inside the game by the devs, and you don't need any external downloads or anything else. Now the first step that you want to take, it sounds a bit off, but simply stand still and type into your keyboard cheat stick. So cheat stick, just how you pronounce it, CHEATSTYK, and from there it will activate the console option, and all you have to do is go to your keyboard once again and press F1. Now for certain keyboards you need an FN key to enable the F key, so simply press FN, hold it, press F1, and as you can see it allows the cheat menu. Now here you can play around with it. I'm going to drop all the cheats in the description, so simply check the description for funny cheats. For example, I loaded one up, it's the add character Robbie 1. This will allow you to add one of these guys, so simply add however many you wish and it will go where your cursor is currently at. Now just play around with it, look in my description for the cheats, and that's it. If you still get any other questions, leave it in the comments down below. If this tutorial helped you, please give a thank you below, leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.